Hi, this is Ashish Das from Circuit Digest once again back with another video, and this time in front of me is the buck converter circuit. It's a really powerful buck converter circuit, as you can see. Before you guys jump and say what is a ball doing in my testing table, let me tell you these resistors get really very hot, so I had to dip them in water. So that's why I have put a bowl of water in my testing table. And as you can see, I have only two multimeter, that's why I can show you only the output power and output voltage, but the input power and input voltage you can see in my blog. If you want to know the efficiency and input power and input voltage and input current, all that details you can see in the blog, link it in the description. So without further ado, let's start the testing. And you can see the circuit is in off state, and I'm turning it on now. You can see the input volt the output voltage is at almost 2 volts, and the current is 0.6 ampere. Now I'm going to increase the voltage with my trusty little screwdriver. The minimum is 2 volt, let me tell you that. The minimum voltage is 2 volt, and maximum I can go is 16 volt per, because my transformer will not allow more than this. And you can see the current is 6.819, almost 7 amperes of current. And the heatsink is mildly hot. The efficiency of this circuit is really good. It works, as you can see. It started bubbling the water, and I don't know you can hear it, but I can hear the hissing sound coming from the resistors. So I will definitely turn the circuit off. Thank you for watching.